today's world, competitive and challenging and ever evolving, you need the right tools to stay ahead. It's time to partner with the pioneer. UCAM. Engineering excellence. Exactly. A partner who is with you right from the beginning, who understands your needs, who designs solutions that are just right for you, who walks with you throughout the journey.
For over 30 years now, UCAM has been a trusted and preferred partner for OEMs and end users in India. We have a reputation for manufacturing high-quality and innovative rotary indexing products that enhances the productivity of our customers' machining centers. Our 4th and 5th axis solutions, tailor-made for our OEMs, make a huge difference in the experience of their end users.
At UCAM, we know that one solution cannot fit every need. We stand out for our customized designs to suit the requirement of our OEMs. We seek the most cost-effective solutions for our partners without compromising on quality. UCAM offers complete tooled-up solutions. We embrace technology to enhance our customers' productivity, continuously upgrade our products to meet the growing demands, and constantly stay abreast with the latest advancements. We have a strong, competent workforce experienced in advanced manufacturing technologies and processes. A workforce passionate about quality and service that helps us create superior products and excel in our business. At UCAM, we believe in walking it all the way with our partners. We offer a unique level of product, engineering, and after-sales support. We manufacture a vast range of high-performing and reliable products from around the world under one roof. Made in India for the world. UCAM makes a promise to each customer that we will be right there each time, every time, right here, right now, for every machining need.
At UCAM, we believe in best customer experience,
quality relationship with all stakeholders, technology as a differentiator,
integrity in everything we do.
Make in India for the world. Make Indian flag fly high in the global machine tool market.
We welcome you to our UCAM world. Welcome to the home of the pioneer. UCAM. Engineering excellence. Exactly.